We must constantly endeavor to find the truth of our life. हमारे जीवन का सत्य क्या है? हम क्यों पैदा हुए? मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? Why am I born? What is the real purpose of my life? क्या मेरा नाम, मेरा सरनेम यही मेरी पहचान है? क्या मेरे पूर्वज ही मेरी पहचान है? क्या मेरी उम्र, कितने साल तक मैं जीती हूँ, यही मैं हूँ? क्या मैं कितने पैसे अर्जित करती हूँ, कितने कमाती हूँ, कितना बड़ा घर है, यही मेरा करियर है, यही मेरा उद्देश्य है? नो, लेट्स try to find out, and we must constantly try to find out who am I and why I am born. We are born of five matters. There are five matters which even science has proven today with research that जल, वायु, पृथ्वी, अग्नि और आकाश, हमारे अंदर हम इन्हीं पंच तत्वों से मनुष्य का शरीर बना हुआ है. And any student of science will tell you that our body is formed of these five matters: the fire, the fluid, the vacuum, the vacuum, and the solid matter inside us. So, what is the real truth? Let's try to find out who am I. We are nothing but that blessed form of the deity who has lost his purpose in this materialistic world. मनुष्य एक भटका हुआ देवता है. मनुष्य एक भटका हुआ देवता है. Actually, in reality, who I am Soham. I am that whom the God Almighty has blessed to be born in human form. Attaining higher levels of human capabilities is easily possible for me. I am that spiritually aspirant, and I am fortunate to be in this auspicious place. Who would do any task prescribed to me as a disciple? How can any task be difficult to me? मैं शिव स्वरूप हूँ, शिवोहम. I am an embodiment of Shiva. Shiva means benevolent and auspicious. Hence, how can there be inauspiciousness in either my feelings, thoughts, desires, efforts, or actions? Satchidanando Aham. I am Sat Chit Anand. That is my true form. How can anything which is short lived can influence me? The true bliss is already within me. Why should I seek it in external objects? I am Ayamatma Brahma. This soul is the very same as Parabrahma. Each ray of sun has exactly the same qualities as the sun. The individual may seem like a tiny portion of the Parabrahma, but it all has all the qualities to unite with the universal soul. आत्मा चाहे जितनी छोटी हो, उसमें ब्रह्म से जुड़ने की क्षमता है, और उससे जुड़ने के बाद क्या छोटा और क्या बड़ा, नल की टोटी और विशाल टंकी, नल की टोटी और विशाल टंकी दोनों में पानी देने की एबिलिटी है. तो मैं छोटा क्यों बनूं, मैं दीन क्यों बनूं, क्यों मैं समर्थ बनकर क्यों न रहूं? Why should I live like a miserable being when I can acquire the capabilities of the Supreme Soul? Fifth, I am Tattvamasi. Whatever is the best and the greatest, whatever is the best and the greatest in this life and in this world is me. So, who am I? I am is that Supreme Soul. Just like whatever we see is nothing but the reflected light. Why should I become a slave to materialistic possessions? Why should I wander searching for the best? Why shouldn't I see everything great as your quality and you in everything?